Write a program to check whether the user entered number is positive or not. This is a simple program where we are going to learn if else block. So we are accepting input from the user. You need to import scanner class. Scanner class is placed in util package and util package is placed in Java package. Import keyword is used to import the class in your program. You need to import the class to tell the compiler where is the class located. Hence the statement import java.util.scanner. Then comes the class definition. Public keyword denotes the class can be accessible outside the package anywhere in the system. Class keyword followed with a class name. Our class name is check positive. Open the brace, close the brace and write the code inside the class scope. You need to define main method. Main method is the entry point for every core Java program. Signature for main method is public static void main and it takes string array as a parameter. Open the brace, close the brace. So the code to be executed is written inside main method. Later in this course, we are going to see how to write user defined method. In the beginning, we are writing few programs using main method only. So you need to accept input from the user. You need some variable to store the input. We have declared variable of type int. As soon as interpreter reads the statement, memory will allocate it for the variable n inside the stacked memory area in the memory space reserved for main method. There will be a memory frame reserved for the local variables of main method inside the stacked memory area. The next statement is system.out.println enter number. This text will be printed to the output screen. You need to tell the user that the number has to be entered. So the instruction is displayed on the output. Next is you need to create object of class scanner. Scanner s equal to new scanner and it is taking system.in as an argument. So as soon as this object is created, reference variable s, here there is typo, this is reference variable s. Reference variable s is created on the stacked memory area and the actual object is created on the heap. And the address of the object is stored inside the reference variable s. So reference variable s is pointing towards the object residing on the heap. System.in connects with the standard input stream, that is your keyboard. It opens the connection for the input stream. Next statement is n equal to s.nextInt. NextInt is the method that reads the input entered by the user in integer format. So suppose the user has entered -19, nextInt will read this number as an integer number. NextInt method belongs to scanner class, hence we are invoking it using scanner object s. There are various methods nextFloat, nextDouble, etc. to read various inputs in a particular format. So -19 is read as integer number and we are storing it in the integer variable n. So inside the memory that is reserved for integer variable n, -19 is stored. Now we need to check whether the user entered number is positive or negative. So the logic for this is you need to write if condition, if keyword, and the condition is if the number is greater than 0, it is a positive number. The value of n is -19. -19 is not greater than 0, hence the condition is false. And when the condition is false, if block doesn't execute. It goes to next block. Next block is else if. Again we are checking the condition whether -19 is less than 0. Now the condition is true, -19 is less than 0. Condition is true, hence control will go to the else if block and the code written here will execute. We are writing system.out.println. Println is used to print the output to the console. Variable n retrieve value -19 and whatever is there inside double quotation marks is printed to the console. So the output is -19 is negative number. And from here control comes out of the if and the program terminates. If user enters positive number, then if condition becomes true. If user enters 0, then the control will go to else part and it will print 0 is neither negative nor positive. So this way you can check whether the user entered number is positive or negative.